Hi Isha, what are we going to learn today?
We are gonna make a pizza project today.
Isha, we got many questions about can we add our own costumes and backgrounds too?
Why not? In today's lesson, I'm going to answer these questions, then let's start. First, we go to the costumes area where we have some costumes. I have these pizza costumes for our project. Then you can upload images or even draw your own. We even have a few stuff over here. Let's upload an image. Section you can create and upload our own images. Let's go to the backgrounds now. Over here we've got many beautiful backgrounds, but let's see if we can have some more stuff in this. We can upload and draw our own background. Let's draw one. Okay, going well. Nice. Okay, over here we have uploaded another background as well. Let's see how it comes out. It looks great. Now we are going to the coding section. First, we need a background. Over here, you can choose any background and you upload your own. I choose the one that I uploaded. And now we need a sprite. So we make a new sprite and I choose the pizza without any toppings. So I choose it, but I think it is too small. I think we should change its size. So we take a block from the section and we choose the change size by block. Now I am going to add the code of when click the pizza, changes, the costume changes and we copy this code 3 times. So when we copy this code, so our pizza is able to change when we click it 3 times. Now we have to add some sounds. So let's add this sound and now we go forward and we're gonna need a print message that will say yay, the pizza is ready. So we go to the word section and choose print. We write in our text and our project is ready. Let's try to run it once. We run the project once and then we're gonna check how it works if our code has any fault. So we will see what we've done wrong in between there. Our project works. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.